What if I told you relying on just one income stream is the fastest way to stay broke? The danger of one income. Relying only on a salary is risky. Job loss can happen overnight. Inflation eats away at your buying power, and salary growth is limited by your employer's budget. The wealth secret. Wealthy people rarely depend on one income. They diversify smartly across multiple revenue sources. This creates financial security and accelerated wealth building. Types of income streams, broken down into easy-to-follow categories. Active income, jobs, freelancing, businesses. Passive income, investments, rental properties, royalties. Digital income, e-commerce, content creation, online courses. Portfolio income, dividends, stocks, crypto, etc. How to build them smartly. Step-by-step strategies. Start with your main skill and build a side hustle around it. Reinvest profits into passive streams. Use digital platforms to create scalable income. Diversify gradually to avoid overwhelm. Practical example. A simple roadmap. Salary plus freelance skill plus YouTube channel plus small investment = 4 income streams. How many income streams do you currently have? One income pays the bills. Multiple incomes build wealth and freedom. If you're serious about creating multiple income streams, hit subscribe now. We share strategies that can change your life.